I have been trying to promote my YouTube channel playlist, but it wasn't that successful as I was expecting. So that's why I thought that probably AI can help me, and that's why I went to the MOZ and downloaded the keywords regarding the SQL. I brought it on the Python. So we have 1000 of the keywords, but we don't need all of them because I don't wanna see all them. So that's why I'm getting only the 4 relevant ones. It's just experiment. I'm not expecting some results that is going to explode my my views. The only problem that the YouTube algorithm didn't promote as much as I wanted organically to my content to the followers, not followers, but like potential followers. Instead of doing manually, I decided to trust to ChatGPT, and now I'm gonna use this also for the future applications. And yeah, I just took 79 keywords. You see, there are different queries that the people are doing, right? And then I've created a text out of them because otherwise the model is not taken. I have used the text Da Vinci model. It's the best model, considered the best. It's considered best model if I'm not mistaken. Um, and then what I did, I asked the GPT to write a description for a SQL tutorial, keeping the phrases as they are. I've tried several versions before. I've asked it in the different ways, but until you are not asking concisely what do you need, the GPT is not helping you that much. Like, GPT doesn't understand you, so you need to make sure that you are expressing yourself in a language that GPT understands. So yes, now you need to keep your language as clear as possible for GPT. You say, alright, AI will understand me and so on. It's made for that. It's made for understanding and interpretation, but at the end of the day, AI needs to have a clarity in order to get what do you mean. So keep trying to expressing yourself as clear as possible with GPT-2. This is the result. I like this result because it gives me the introduction. It keeps also the phrases, the queries that the others use. It has included V3 school. That's good because I didn't want to include that. It also, yes, it covers topics such as how to create. It uses the how to create, and that's great. Local SQL server. There was something like local SQL server. It also makes the suggestions, and also I would eliminate some of them. For example, the SQL Server Management Studio. I'm not using that. Of course, I will do some modifications, but still, instead of that, I can add the MySQL or PostgreSQL that I'm really teaching. Yeah, instead of this, I should how to use SQL, MySQL. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to learn the fundamentals of SQL and database management. That's great. That's the description I wanted to have. That's perfect. Thank you, ChatGPT, and thank you, MOZ, of course.